Hope all of you guys are doing well. I quickly wanted to make this video and discuss uh, largely two groups where I still think we are not done yet, and that if the bullishness of the market continues, this two sectors largely will probably do well, in my opinion, in the sense that risk reward is still largely in our favor. So first one is shipping and the second one is defense, and they are both like interrelated PSUs, right? So if I show you the uh, index level chart of the shipbuilders, what you can see is that there was a large base breakout here on during April, and after that you had smaller bases, this one and then this one, right? So what I'm looking at is there is about 11 bars, so about 20 days sort of base formation. Even here is like similar sort of 20 11 bars, 10 11 bars base formation. So if we go by that, then in there is still some time to base, but yeah, but as we also go on in further in the journey, the bases get smaller and smaller, and that also we have to bring into the picture. So all I'm saying is that the shipbuilders are 1 2 3 4 fifth fourth day of basing going on, okay, and all of them are setting up as flags now. This 5 days might 4 days might not be enough, and add in 4 5 days more, but the point of the video is to make sure that the point what I'm trying to make gets across, and that is that I still believe that they will form favorable setups, and they are already at very tight flag setups which are tradable. So Mazgaon dock is number one. You see, Cochin Shipyard is such a nice setup. It is actually ready in the sense that if tomorrow this high is taken out, that's a very nice PBC pullback confirmation setup, and the pullback is also at around previous highs. I mean, the pullback is also at the previous breakout level. So, and that is in my opinion tradable. GE shipping also, after this big base breakout, sort of you can see that this big base breakout, although there was increase in volatility, and that happens sometimes at around the breakout points, this will probably now form a fresh base, and then we will see higher levels again. But yeah, so the leaders are basically Mazdoc and Cochin Shipyard. GRSE also looks good, so that's the third name. But yeah, looks like that it probably needs some more basing time, as you can see that similar like 10 11 days. CMAC actually broke out today. That's another good name, and this is also most likely a big base breakout. My internet is very slow. I'm somehow managing this video, so please yes, so if you see CMAC, this is a big base breakout, and today was an entry, and that big base breakout also happened after a very tight area. You can see that there's very less volume contraction during the base, and then the right side of the base was expansion in volume as well. So this is still a favorable entry. I'm not sure about the fundamentals and all. Shipping SCI is also currently like the ONP base breakout hasn't happened yet, and this is also definitely something which one can have. SR shipping, and the last one is Gujarat P Power. This also looks good as a big base breakout. I mean, as a big base breakout candidate. So waiting for the chart to load. Come on, P Pop. Yes, so you can see that although the ONP hasn't broken out yet, but you can see that this is probably a DTL based breakout, and that more lucrative areas of entries would probably be presented here going forward. Now Let's move on to the second sector, which is the defense sector. And you can see that the setups are even more lucrative here. Paras defense, can you see how nicely and how tight these guys are? This is basically a high tide flag, 100% move and 4 days. So generally after such a larger move, 100% kind of a move, 4 days of base is not enough. So I believe that it is better if this guy bases for a longer period of time, but nonetheless such a great. Now BEML, BEML is a big enough base which this is the pivot, and even today could have been PBC entry, which sort of did not materialize because it again closed below yesterday's close. But this is a valid setup. Some of the names will come from the shipping. DCX system was an entry today, and this is a big base breakout. You can see that this is a base, sort of a double bottom kind of a base right now, trying to take out the O'Neill pivot after a tight area here. So again, not sure about the fundamentals and all, but should be good. Krishna defense, breakout, smaller base, and this after this basing event, I mean, this is not ready, unlike like others. Idea Forge, again, this is sort of a downtrending stock, but if the sector is in favor, a lot of stocks will be pulled up just by that. Now Zentech is sort of already at around the highs, and you can see that the tight area is forming 1 2 3 4th day of tightness, and let's say 4 more days of tightness, like 10 candle tight is really a very nice setup. Taneja Aerospace again is getting really tight, like a high tide flag again, about 80%, and then now the flag mast formation is going on. Datta patterns, I don't like it very much, unlike, because there are better, this one, right? GRSC we've discussed already. BDL is a fantastic setup, so very similar to BEML, but looks even better. And any sort of breakout of this handle should be tradable. If you want more pivots, this could breakout of this would also be tradable, है ना? Roselle India, this broke out of a very big base, and today could have been an entry, but if you had only caught it around sort of 525 530 mark, 551 seems a little extended. But after this, if tomorrow again this previous high gets nicely broken out, and if one can get a smaller intraday tight pivot, that's again tradable. But in general, some sort of action like this might happen, and that would be another entry point. Another, again, Astra Microwave is, again, see, this is a very nice flag. Not exactly a high tide flag because it's not 100% or 80-100% kind of a move, but really nice one-way flag, huge volumes, and 1 2 3 4 day of very tight action. And I mean, this is really tradable, है ना? Like any breakout of this previous high. So BEL also looks okay. This is a tight area, 4-day of handle, that's tradable. HAL is also tradable, similar to BEL, and also similar to the other one, BDL. These are all tradable, very tight pivots. Solar Industries are also tight. This is like a base on base, if I may. Big base was here, and then this is second base, and this is also again another nice pivot, very tight. 1 2 3 4 days of tight action. Apollo Microsystem, this is again a bigger base, part of a bigger base, and if defense is really a decadal theme, then at some point of time this guy will also break out. Avantal, this is, can you see the tightness, and can you see the VCP action here? It's basically range contraction every day, and this is ready. So if you ask me, a lot of names, almost like 80% of the names, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Out of 24, about 40 names could be ready from tomorrow to any time next 4 to 5 6 days. So really, even if you just don't focus on anything else and focus on defense for a couple of days, could be a very lucrative thing to do. And yeah, hope to be with you guys more in within 2 days. I'll be back day after tomorrow, and hoping that these don't break out until then. And hope this helps. See you guys, and bye.